Mr. Lunatic, now that you have been pronounced cured, what are your plans?
Well, I used to be a liar, so I may go back to that. I may try teaching too.
Excellent. That's what I like to hear. It shows you're really cured.
And if I don't like enough doors, I might try architecture. Or even piloting a jumbo jet. Of course, I might become a little teapot, short and stout.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my candle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, then I shout. Just tip me over and pour me out. Just tip me over and pour me out.
Rotted. Him not pass the test. He look like him still mad. Madoo, today is our big day to get discharged from this madhouse.
Doc, I'm an outside one to know if I lose any male inmate.
Nobody has escaped. All our patients are accounted for. Why?
Well, him say somebody run her with him wife.
Me I go in first for my interview. And when me come out, me tell you the answer. That means the two of we can get discharged together.
Good idea. All them say you're mad.
Mr. Madeeks, if someone cuts out both your eyes, what will happen?
Me we get blind that.
Okay, if you should leave Jamaica, which country is the first one you will want to visit?
Cuba, Doc. Long time I want to go Cuba, you know.
What mode of transportation will you use to get there?
Doc, you know, say it's a boat me would have take figure.
Well, Mr. Madeeks, it seems like you are cured. We will discharge you forthwith. Send in the next patient when you go outside.
Madoo, he passed my test, you know. Doc say me must send you in now. When you go in, the doctor going to ask you 3 questions. The first answer is blind. The second answer is Cuba. And the third answer is boat.
Sure, that easy to remember. Blind, Cuba, and boat.
I will change the order of questions for this one. Mr. Madoo, if you should leave Jamaica, where will you go first?
Blind.
If someone cuts out both your eyes, what will happen?
Cuba.
Are you a monkey or an idiot?
Boat.